How to delete watch videos on Facebook in mobile. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To delete the watch history on your Facebook, go ahead and open your Facebook application. Ensure you have logged in into your account if you have not yet. Once logged in, at the top you will see the three horizontal line. Tap on it. Then head over and press on the setting gear icon. Once you are in your settings and privacy, scroll down until you see the option of activity log and tap on it. Then in here you will see some of this little tab. You can scroll until you see the option of videos watched, then tap on it. In here you will find the option of deleting the entire watch history, or you can even select a particular video and delete from the watch history as well. If you wish to delete a certain video, you can tap on the three dot next to the particular video and tap on delete. However, if you want to clear up the whole history, just tap on clear video watch history and tap on the clear option for confirmation. Then go ahead and give it a refresh. So this is how you can delete the watch videos on Facebook. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you.